And now, our host, Mr. Rizani.
Well, thank you very much to Mr. Shaheen. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, we meet again, but in our colors of debate. Well, ladies and gentlemen, since the beginning of times, birds of the every shape and sizes have interested man throughout this world history. So they're fascinated with the multicolors and their super flight. In particular, the grace and beauty in flight and their resourcefulness in surviving harsh living conditions. So today, in our colors of the world, we're going to bring it to a virtual feather friend. So before I begin, I'd like to invite one of the performer of the day, ladies and gentlemen. Please welcome Mr. He's the One with the bird name Stephen. Yes, person for the Hari Merdeka, raising up the national flag. Pull up the swing, and there we go, Merdeka. All right. Okay, now unfolding a block of letter, starting with the first W-E-L-C. Next one O. And then lastly, warmly welcome to the all of you. Thank you very much, our Stephen. There are 17 species of macaws, and all of them from the jungle of the Himalayan forest. Okay, now, I know everybody, could you please focus on view on the left there? Here is a free-flying macaws rainbow. Coming up right now, speed and pilot. All right, here we coming down, sky. And one more, bullet. Come on, bullet, good. All right, okay. 5 blue and gold macaw brothers. Are they ready? All right. Well, 17 species of